Alright, y'all, I got some country style spare ribs that I had marinating last night. I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm just gonna cover them with some foil, put them in the oven, let them cook for a while, then I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce. I thought I was recording when I was seasoning and cleaning them and everything, but I wasn't, so I'll show you next time. You can always season your meat with your seasoning choice. So, yeah, you know, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, paprika, you know. I put a little sweet and smoky seasoning because I like the little smoky taste on my ribs, but yeah. Yeah, I suck at recording, but I just chopped up some onions and peppers, my green bean, and everything in here. Add a little water, cook them up really quickly. My ribs are still in the oven. My potatoes are boiling for the mashed potatoes. And I think that's it. I think that's it. Alright, I'm making sure I'm recording this time, but now we're just checking the tenderness of my potatoes before it fly right through them. So, that's perfect. I'm gonna drain some water off of them because I just boiled them in salt water. And we can proceed to mash them. Sheesh. This is what the potatoes is looking like. I'm about to add some butter, add some whipping cream, and mash them up. It's just a teaspoon of butter, tablespoon of butter. Add a tablespoon for my green beans. Heavy whipping cream. Alright, this is what your mashed potatoes will look like once you're finished mashing them. I got a little bit of chunks in there because I like a little texture in my mashed potatoes. So yeah. Alright, so that's what the green beans are looking like. I'm on this pot up here. I'm doing glazed carrots. Alright, y'all. This is the final result. Glazed carrots, green beans, Parmesan garlic mashed potatoes, country style ribs, and of course the ginger ale. Like, of course the ginger ale.